So, hello everyone. So, today is day 103 on my 366 day life challenge. So, where I come live each day and share my day, share my journey, what I'm doing, and what I'm going through. So, today was our new year in our Nepal. So, I celebrated it on a way like installed the Arc Linux on my system on my laptop. So, now I'm live on my Arc Linux, and that was a kind of a process. But although like many people said like it is kind of a very tough process, that I don't feel that way, because before, like from the small age, right? So on my computer, on my PC also, like there my laptop and my computer used to crash a lot, and there used to be like a just a terminal kind of way. Then I need to figure it out and you do the work, right? So like the main thing was the terminal when I was setting up my Arc Linux. So it was not a kind of a very stress moment for me, but although like it was really fun in installing my OS and putting up, and also like installing some of the package. But one thing like I forgot to do was, okay, so I have a like two three hard disks, and that time like I was also connected to another hard disk because I have the another laptop, and I like mistakenly install the Arc on my another hard disk. So on that hard disk I don't have a RAM that much, so I'm pretty much running this Arc Linux in a very small storage device. And so tomorrow I'm going to install it again. So that thing I should mind and take care of it. And besides that, so as I today learn more about the Android development, because although like I successfully built one app, but bro, like there are really fundamental issues that I'm lacking, fundamental things that I need to clear in the Android development from all those things. So I was learning, I was like making my mind ready, okay, like and I see the what I'm going to do on the Android. Yeah, so there will be the many obstacles which I'm going to do, which I'm going to take. But before then, like I should know like what to expect and where can I do it. Like like although like the problem solving is the skill and is the way that you get on the problem when you solve it. But before and also like there should be some logic idea, okay, like that's my thing. So I was going through the documentation and all those things about the Android development, and it was pretty fun. And although like I'm going to work, and what I'm figuring out and what I want to just what I want to say is, so my journey is 366 day life challenge, right? So right now I have a task to do, and development. I need to complete some project, and I'm so busy right now. Like uh, I don't want to say like I'm busy, but in fact I'm busy because I haven't responded to person about some project, because I am doing another project right now. So I should respond them quickly also. There is my quantum assignment, there is my ongoing two college project, doing the front end. So I have a lot of things to do, and so basically I'm going to like make my life short and sweet, okay, like not going to sit down and just going to work. I'm going to come to my life, I'm going to say, okay, so this must happen and now I'm going to do. Because I'm not doing live for like the other people that will say, okay, so he's doing live, so he must be a good. No, I'm doing for myself to be a consistent, and the name and the main thing is to come to show up daily and to code daily. So I'm coding, so I don't need to like a fake people like that way, okay. So I really need to do something, so I will make my life small time. And after some weeks, so when I'm not like engaged in so many project, and this project also like I'm on the start, yeah, so there are so many things I need to understand, because I'm coming from the web, and in the Android you have to get so many permissions. You're like so yeah, like that's not a big topic, but yeah, like there is so many layout to like all those things I need to cover up. So and I need to learn also, I need to watch videos, if I stock or if I get any documentation. So That's the thing that I really wanted to say, because from today onwards I will keep my live about 15 to 30 minutes. And let me show you my arc Linux, okay, for that time being. So I think so yeah, this is my arc Linux. So I was trying like this kitty and this LRCT terminal, and this is my console, and right now I'm using like I think fish terminal. Yeah, like I'm using fish. So it is pretty good, and I'm going to customize it more onto Omaro Live, and like after some days. So yeah, this is the Arc Linux I did on 1 hour go. Okay, and I'm going to do my Android thing on my this laptop. And as I said, for some time I'm going to make my live a short one, like just a 15 or 30 minute, or like 15 minute, because I'm too busy kind of doing other things. So Kamal Potter, you keep grinding. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot, and happy New Year. So basically, like I'm doing the Android development on my this laptop, because on this laptop I have the Windows and a pretty good RAM compared to this laptop. And for this, like this is my home, like a old kind of laptop where I try to use Linux, Arc Linux, like try different Linux, and pretty much try different things. And this one is kind of a professional, because I go to my office, right? So I need to make sure like each and every files of my office, my code should be in a sync way. And so that's the thing. Same to you now, our version 2081. Yeah, thanks a lot, bro. And where are you from, bro? And uh, what are you learning? What are you doing, brother? UI dot login. Actually, Pokhara about studying in Chandigarh, India. Okay. Like which course and which sem, bro, and what are you doing? Like Chandigarh means there is one college, right? So like my friend also like has gone to the India for studying, and I think he is studying in, yeah, like in the uh Chitkara University. Chitkara University. My friend is studying there, so don't know. Like it is on its own record, but just wanted to confirm. Uh, Learning, trying many things doesn't stick to anyone. Course electronic and communications on your engineer in college. Chitrakarta near me, my different sim. Oh, okay, brother. So that is the different. Okay, bro. Electronics, like I also like really that field because the quantum computing, like many scientists or like the many engineer who are working in a quantum computing space, right? So they mostly have the electronics or the electrical degree, and the course that you guys read, yeah, like that is so much best. So I need to create a one model, so integer valid. Bro, on the electronics, so you guys also have like programming classes, right? Yeah, mostly programming based. Actually, I didn't search much before joining college. Just to recommendation, I joined so college mostly programming based. Oh, okay, bro. So, which language you are like most actually working with? Mm, so, college teaches you electronic subject, but you want to do programming, but wants you to do programming. Okay, like I think the C and C plus plus language, yeah, bro, because they are like more into the machine level stuff. Mm, one uses boolean. Language solid. I love Python. Switched to C in college. Code and CPP. Did started Flutter, Dart in between, but just not consistent. Okay, bro. Bro, like, are you doing a data structure and algorithm, or by any chance you guys are doing competitive programming? Because so in the India, right? So if you try want to get to the big companies in the programming space, so like many people like from the first sem also like they start doing data structure and algorithm and CP, because my friend also said that to me like uh the India like the Chitra which uni I told like uh Chitkaraya Chitkara University. Bro, like okay, my thing is I need to test it out. So I'm going to run my app, okay, in my mobile. I need to connect. Mm, yeah, DSA popular here. Yeah, bro. Like I'm also like doing DSA. Like I think it has been over a month. Like really started doing it. on a lead code and actually when I try to learn myself into programming world, it cost me my in my core subject. So not consistent seeing you in 1 or 3 day I'm gonna be like consistent too from my vision. Sure, like that's the spirit, bro. Yeah, bro. Like, if you like do like the I guess like C and C plus plus and the data structure, right? And like coming from the electronic background, like the companies, like the big companies who are more into the hardware and the software kind of integrated part, right? So there you can really shine, bro. Because although like I do like core programming or the core coding, but i I will not be like so good as you are like on the electronics, right? So try to like merge those both field, and yeah, best wishes, bro. Why my device did not connect? I'm on the same internet, I guess. 305. Yo, thanks. Remember whatever I will be doing. You are one of the motivation. Okay, don't wanna distract you here. You might be having trouble with app connectivity here. Take care. Yeah, thank you, brother, so much. And yeah, happy New Year and best wishes for your journey. And thanks for that. That you are the one of the motivation. It really means a lot. And hope you best, bro. Yeah, but like having some difficulties. Like it is working on my emulator, but I wanted to test in my mobile, right? It works in the office, okay, though. Like when I try to use this on the office, it works, but right now it is not working. So yeah, like I will be just working on the more thing, and I will test into tomorrow when I will go to the office. Mm, bro, like I really need to learn this one. If Hugh Divik Akadikepi. Oh, like, bro, have you joined this live like by changing the name? I guess. Oh, I have 60 email account. It's one of them. Okay, but like, why do like the name? Okay, yeah, okay. So you like first I thought like you I'm getting like the viewer from the other corners like the Japanese or the Chinese. I thought. By the way, you know Vaskim, yeah, the like the basic one like to like Cause I use in the Linux, right? So I know like to install, do some of the stuff in the network, but not the like I pretty much don't have any use case. So bro, why you on what part do you use bash scripting? Like why do? Oh bro, okay, okay, okay. So like the commands like the basic ones like the echo, C as memory, like the changing the permission of a file and naming it, copying, displaying the date, reading. Like don't I haven't got did that kind of well on the bass, but simple simply echoing and those things and the printing, yeah. They like the tots, rm, move, cat, grip, yeah, sudo, df, ps. Yeah, bro, but I don't thought like it was a separate thing. Like I always thought like it's a inbuilt thing that I do on a regular basis, bro. Oh, my bad, bro. They are they are a core. They are a course by on best. Okay. How is your typing going? Yeah, bro. Like, so now I'm on my different laptop. Okay, like working on a different laptop also. So like, cause of the different layout of the keyboard and the size, I'm getting pretty bad. And the one thing I got was my typing has become slow, but my accuracy is going up on the Anki type also. But thanks, bro. Like, okay, although like haven't given so much time and like actually focused to improve my typing, and I'm all aware of that because right now on the state of which I'm right now, right, I have multiple things going on, but I'm giving at least 15 or like at least 15 to 20 minute per day doing monkey type. Okay, because before like I used to never do that, like in once in a month, I guess. But cause the talk and the thing you said me has really influenced. So you left 10 finger typing? No, like I'm doing 10 finger typing, but yeah, like it is getting slow, like compared to my speed, like which I was on. I'm saying that, bro. Sorry. No, you can use bash as programming language just like a loop. Yeah, bro. Like yeah, like I just saw that the wild thing, or there are a course on YouTube on bash, bro. Like yeah, but I'm not getting the specific use case to like learn or to do some program, like the basic things like the which you told me, right? Like I do that on the regular basis. So, bro, I'm doing my view on web development on got chance after your guidance. My view means, bro, uh, my view on web dev got changed. Okay, the view. Okay, okay, my view on web development got changed after your guidance. Sure, man. That that's awesome, bro. Really, really, that's awesome, bro. Okay. Mm. So right now I'm making one app. Okay, so guys. I'm getting so much kind of can you share the LinkedIn? Sure, bro. So it's my name like Biraz Karki. You can find out. And although like it has been like one day I haven't been active because I am just doing. I'm not getting time also. But yeah, you can connect with me and I will surely connect with you, bro. Escolite. Bro, like I'm working on one project, right? So for that, I'm doing on Java Android development, like Android Studio. Although like the Kotlin is the new thing and the best thing to do, but the project, this project is like a Australian based project, which I have got from my company. And although like I'm working on a front end developer also, on the meantime I'm working on the app development. Okay, like the both project I'm doing on a different tech stack, different way. And this app development I'm doing by alone, because all of the developer are in the Flutter. Okay, like which do on the app level. And and for this I need to create the backend also. And for that, I will work on the express. Yeah, I will do my express on the backend with MongoDB, or if they want I can switch to the MySQL also if they want. And there are like, although like at the first side, so coming from the web development, yeah, like I'm not getting too much kind of confused in the app. Although there are some of the things that are like completely different, like how the models, how the binding thing works. So I need to really focus on that, brother. Good night, bro. I'm starting my 75-day hard challenge from tomorrow, and I will share my journey here daily. Sure, bro. Okay, okay. So, bro, like, so I will come live at this time, but my like, bro, like my time to come live is not being like at this same time, because w- before coming to live I'm doing something, right? So I'm like so much focused on that I don't like know like what the time it is right now also, like okay, like because if I okay. And one thing, like I used to come live at the 10:30 p.m., like more like before 2 3 hour, right? But if I come live at that time, and that time is when I have my high energy, okay, and my energy will like so much lost on that live, that I can't like work on my things. Okay, so what I figured out was I will do my much of the things that I need to complete before coming to live. So on the live I can interact with you guys also, and here like I can learn and do the minor things, and I can be like a get ready for tomorrow, like what to do, how to plan the day. So that way I'm like doing, so my time is not being like a consistent on the same time. But that's fine for me, because the main thing is I'm getting my things done, and that I care more. um Registration. Registration. Okay. May I know about your package? So, bro, in Nepal, so we don't have kind of package way of the system. So we get salary on the monthly basis, and that can be vary also. And another thing is that is not kind of a big in Nepal or like compared to India. And if I try to like calculate my okay, so in my year basis, so it's like 4 5, not so much. And like the main thing is I haven't switched my job also, and I think that's the main factor on this. Are you also doing some freelancing with your job? Yes, bro. Also doing and want to do more, but the main thing is so I'm like doing my bachelor also, right? So I'm getting so much messed up and like the assignment classes, like the not the classes, cause I don't need to go uh, college at the regular basis on a daily basis. But the main thing is, part time. Brian, what are you doing nowadays? Like, what are you studying? What's your stream in Bachelor? So I'm doing so. I have like already shared also that. Okay, so let me on a summary way. I'm doing like two bachelor degree. I'm doing one BCA. On BCA, I'm on second semester, and I'm doing Bachelor of Physics with minor in mathematics and stars. I'm doing BSc Physics and BCA, and on the BSc Physics, I'm on a second year, so doing 2 degrees and full time job. So that is not letting me to do like more part time jobs. And yeah, guys, like on this laptop is I'm streaming, right? So I have installed the Arc Linux today. It means you haven't completed your degree yet. Yes, bro, I haven't. And I have installed my Arc Linux, and yeah, bro, like the thing is cool. Like, let me show you my Arc Linux, okay? Like, although like I installed this on my different hard disks, okay? So on that hard disk, I don't have so much disk space left, so I'm going to reinstall it again. But yeah, bro, this is my Arc Linux, and like on today also, like I tried this two kind of the terminal. One is the kitty, and this one. And on this I have installed this fish terminal, and it's good, bro. And I'm going to like customize my whole Ubuntu like on different level, bro, on a smooth. And my charge is getting like 24%, and my charger is here. I will be streaming this live for like more 5 minutes, then I will in this live, and I will be working on this. How you manage all this, bro? By staying late at this much time, bro. Because I sleep like about 4 hours, 4 5 hours, bro. Like I go like gym also, yeah. So of that, I get so much tired. So I sleep like 4.5 hour. Before I used to sleep like 4 hour. And yeah, like the main thing is I prioritize the things that I need to do on that day, and I like pretty much break my whole year in the months and month into the weeks, and said that what I need to do for that month or on that week on a way that I can see at every time, so my mind does not get distracted. I don't use any social medias besides LinkedIn. And yeah, LinkedIn, uh if I have to go out with my friend also, first of all I check if I have some tasks to do or not. I prioritize myself. That's the thing, bro. Because my lot of my time used to go before like just on the unnecessary thing that I already know like what will happen. Although like I was with those people with those kind of environment that I was getting fun, excitement, but the learning part was not there, right? So I like cut off all those things which will not help me on my journey. I mean, you don't didn't go college daily. Not daily. Like I have my of my BCA. I have my lab that I need to go about four day per week, and that is also like at the end of the time. Okay, like at the evening. So I go at that time, and for the BSc physics, I like sometime I go to like college. But the main thing is, like if I learn by myself, then that is the more best way. Okay, so I like do my own study of my BSc physics after coming from office. Do you know next year's at good level? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Good level. Like not saying at that way, but yeah, like more than a good level because I need to be confident on my skills, right? Because I do work as a front end and where do bunch of stuff, and also I have one intern, and like basically I'm doing all those projects front end at the web alone. Yeah, and I used to do my like office work on this live also, and I used to screen share, and I used to show you guys, right? And one of my viewers I think said me like, oh, that is not a good thing to like I was not showing whole code but some section that I was making, right? And though like one viewer said don't do that way, so I didn't did. But like when I was doing at that way, like my work was doing like so fast. And basis mon stack excluding the react. Why excluding react, bro? Like the bro, Next.js is 100% react, bro. Like when I write Next.js code, right, I feel I'm right. Like just the context is the different, that you have a different app router, that you don't need to use the router like React router DOM. And like the basically bro, Next.js is full React. All those hooks, use effect, use client, all those hooks are bro same. Like I learned the React and then I switched to the Next.js, because at that project also I did at the first on the React, and the project manager said me to do on the Next.js, so I just switched to the Next.js. And the switching from React to Next.js was just a butter bro, like there was nothing so complicated way, just the folder structure and the code I needed to do more on the React, right? That was just lesser code, okay. And and yeah bro, like I know Node Express, MongoDB, right? Although like I haven't like worked solo on a big like a startup level app, okay, but I did like many my own projects. But and although like I work with one backend developer, but not by only myself, okay. So I want to do, so right now I'm working on one Android app, okay. I'm doing Java in the Android Studio. I'm making the app, and this is the like the Australian based startup, so I'm making the project for that. And I need to code the backend also, so I'm going to code the backend in the Express and Node and MongoDB. So you also know backend at a good level. Yeah, just a good level, but not like I'm not confident in the backend bro, because uh, I know like I haven't spent that much time on the backend, right? So and the main thing at the back end is the security concern. Yeah, like I won't take the responsibility of the security of the whole app until now. So not experienced with that, but surely I want to explore that field also. You are also working on is so US based company. Yeah, but like Australia, yes, bro. Like my whole like the company I'm working on right now is also Australian based company, and that company like had a project from a different company, not the same company, a different company which is also in the Australia. And of that company I'm doing the Android development project, and the front end part which I'm doing is the same company project that I'm working on, like that way. uh what do you mean by freelance or offline job? I mean I go to the office like a full time on a daily, and this Android part, right? So Android part I need to do, like I'm working on front end and app also, yeah, so I don't have like that much time. I need to do like more than 8 hour. So I'm also on a start of the Android, so I do like that part in the after coming home also at this time, like doing learning new things about the app development. Because to be honest, like although like I did one app on a 1 2 day, like one day I created one app and did what to the people, but that was not kind of a complex app, because the whole backend was I did on the Firebase, and there was the just a basic way, okay, like not the complex. And 2020 so okay, now it works. uh, mm. Nah, nah, bro, not. You are okay. I'm working on one company on the. Okay, I'm working on one company as a front end developer. Okay, and at the same company, I was doing full time front end, but on the same company, I got one project on the app also, and I took it because I wanted to have like some kind of a challenge and also want to explore new things because I was just working on that wave for so long. Okay, and for like they gave me, but they at the first they gave me a not a so much complex app, so to just to test me. Okay, like I can do it or not, and I gave that app on a one day, and they were impressed and they gave me the app development project also. So I'm doing both thing at the same 8 hour on one company, right? And I'm doing freelancing on a different way, not of those part. I'm doing freelancing from the other networks I have in my group. Okay, from the brothers who have their own startup and they are taking the projects and they are giving to me. And back, if you remember, like I was doing one restaurant management, one gym management, and the other things also, right? So like that way of my freelancing project. And I have also got one new freelancing project, bro. Okay, and on that project I need to do one machine learning, bro. I need to do. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to make one AI model that when I give some input, right? So on the basis of that, it has to say like a face detection and all those things, and it should say like a video algorithm kind of way. So I need to do that also. And like today, I gave about 2 hour in the Python also. What I was doing one data set cleaning. How much work you work daily in total? Like, like my the pay I get is of like 8 hour on the front end, like on the office. But yeah, bro, like after coming home, those freelancing and my learning, I do pretty much from waking up to the sleeping at night. Basically, I wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning. From 7 to 3 I have my job, and after coming from job I study for my BSc physics and my BCF up to 6 p.m. Then 6 p.m. to until now at the it is going to be a 2 a.m. in the morning. So I'm still haven't slept. You can say that much, but although like on those times I do play chess, I do like lead code. Yeah, like I do those two things. If you exclude those, then it will be like that. Okay, like broken. So what is the response I'm getting from this API is data dot id. So I will make a local storage and I will pass the value there for. Damn, bro, no, like not that way, also, bro. I'm still learning, bro. Like I need to learn so much, bro. Bro, why don't you use Streamlabs? Streamlabs. Okay, Streamlabs. Bro, how much you earn from those freelance project like 50? Nah, bro, like so I get paid on the freelance on the Nepali currency, not the dollar. Okay, like as I told you, yes. So I get that project from the other startup or other brother within my connection. So like I usually get. So basically, there are some of the startups in Nepal, like they get project from the outer countries like the USA, Australia on a very big charge. Okay, and they break those project, like they get a big project and they break a small like a front end or a back end or a some of the tasks on a separate way, and they provide those tasks to a different developers. So like that, I'm among one because I can just I can't commit my full time on one freelancing project, right? For now being I'm almost like, yeah, bro, like that, and sometime more also, like commonly more. Bro, like I'm doing this Android, yeah. So bro, there is bunch of things like I really need to learn, bro, like these things I don't know, like uh how this binding works on this app, how this uh recommendation. Yeah, bro, you can check my GitHub, bro. Like, although like I haven't like updated my portfolio on the website, so but you can check my GitHub. The name is Biraz Karki, bro, and you can check my LinkedIn also. There you again find other things related to me. Uh, like I have personal, but that I haven't updated now, and that does not include my current things. No, bro, I have website. On that website, you will get the link also. So I'm telling you like that way. The main thing is when I go and do like I have like made one 3D portfolio, one other style portfolio, 2 3 portfolio that you can find those code on my website, like on my GitHub right there. But the fact is I haven't hosted them because I think like I need to learn more. I need to touch it more, and when I like create a portfolio like that, really I like, yeah, then I can just show to like other people also. So that way, like I'm thinking, but uh, I need to search, bro. Like it is kind of biraskarki.github.io, I guess. And although like I have one different from the domain of the Nepal, I need to search that. But basically, you can find on my GitHub, bro, that link also. S2S enable hosting. Are you 20 years? I'm 19 year bro. Like I will be 20 after some months, like 4 5 months. Right now I'm 20. Oh man, you are so young and doing great. Oh, thanks, bro. But still need to learn so much things. And the main thing is, as a human, we have a so much limited time, right? So like, I don't know, like, why God made like or out of some being, like, why they gave a human so less time. That really makes me on a deep thinking. Your life is unpredictable, right, bro? So like, I used to say like, life is beautiful but uncertainty, like that kind of quote, like I had on my young days, like when I was like a child. And the main thing is, bro, I really want to make a use quantum computer and to know the world, you like the mystery, okay? Like, in fact, why I am like inclined toward the quantum computing is also like, from there I can simulate, I can do bunch of research, like I can like make so much progress in the technology that I can understand dark matter, dark energy. Like I can like go on a standard mode, or like I can, the main thing I want to discover is the graviton. That is a particle that exists, but like that is a theoretical particle that haven't been able to explore it right now, because on the quantum scale the gravity does not work that way, right? So so I want to know those things, and I know like after some year, or like after some decades, centuries, these things will be answered. But I know that I will not be, I will be dead probably by then, right? So I want to just earn so much money, create one quantum computing company, have my quantum computers. I will hire bunch of scientists, like the world greatest scientists, and I will be also a scientist, because I'm doing my BSc physics. I'm going to do the master. I'm going to do my PhD on my physics, and I'm going to explore this whole thing. Like the these things might be like a silly to bunch of things, but the time machine is one of the aim that I really want to achieve, okay? And like the most of like bunch of people laugh like, what the time machine, but I really believe on that thing. So yeah, keep it up, man, you can do it. Yeah, bro, I will do it, and we will do it, do it, yeah. And bro, and best wishes for your life also. And so, as today is our new year in Nepal, okay, so I wish every one of you have a great uh year and day. Say guess which back. Bro, like yeah, like I installed the Arc Linux, bro. So bro, that was not kind of a just like a hardware also. Like I did with the manual setup, right? Mm, but also like I like had to give like some time regarding mm, and did some of the config also. Like I tried this two terminal, okay, like did this console accelerated kitty, and on this like at the end I stick with the fish, okay, like the fish terminal because I really like this. And so bro, so yeah, my charge is only like 6%, bro, so I will be probably in this stream also. And yeah, bro, no, in Nepal today is 2081 year. How the fuck you install it? Like yesterday I told you, right? So I'm going to use Arc Linux. But like okay, like uh when I used to do programming, or like when I used to do my uh programming in the computer, right? At that time also I used to get so much like crash on my disks that I have to do on that command prompt, okay, like on that manual way. And I had those experience also. So yeah, bro. Uh, like I was able to understand like what was going on and what I need to change. And although like I have created this, right, so I use the genome for this. So tomorrow I'm going to use one. There is one hyperland desktop IDE, so I'm going to use that thing. And I'm also going to customize my more Arc Linux because I really like it, bro. Unexplodable. Yeah, bro. Damn, yeah, bro. It's like, so yeah, today is 2081 year, and my day like so today in Nepal, so I have a holiday. Okay, so in Nepal we have public holiday on Saturday only. So today was my holiday. So and the New Year also. So I did bunch of the coding. Did this Arc Linux setup, played chess, like 10 game of chess, and did some of the puzzles. And yeah, my New Year was super. And guys, yeah, like I'm still be doing this thing until some hours, like 1 2 hours. Hmm, but I think I will end this live, bro. I'm going to end this live, so I'm coming back tomorrow. Sunday is off as well. No, bro, like in Nepal, we don't have Sunday off, so we have only one day public holiday. Only one day. Sunday is off. I'm gonna jump into my PC sure, bro. Yeah, and do that Arc Linux way if you want. Mm, I found a way to make that. Yes, PC to work off kind. I don't know. I found an idea how it will work. Yeah, yes, bro, like I have been streaming for the past 1.5 hour, and I really need to end this live right now because my laptop battery is also getting so much low, like 6%, and I need to complete this one for functionality on the Android. Yeah, and for this I know like how to do it, but I think that is not a standard way because as my client are from the Australia, right? So they have grafted me or like okay, so they have given me like page, okay, uh like a 55 page draft of how this project will work, okay. So I went through like all of those documentation, and I really need to make this project on a standard way, okay, like not kind of my way that is a side project. So yeah, like I really need to focus on our really standard way to make a Android app. So yeah, take care everyone, and stay safe, take care, and best wishes for your tomorrow. Stay safe. Yeah, take care everyone. Bye bye, see ya. So the last question, web dev plus Android dev, and what many uh just like web dev mainly, but Android dev like just started off from some months, not like very proficient, but going to learn it. And uh, I'm doing quantum computing, so there is a programming language in the quantum known Qiskit. So I'm doing on that, and I'm doing Java and the Android I'm doing Java. And in my college I need to do C and C++. So going doing that, yeah, pretty much that much more. Yeah, that much. And yeah, and if you check my LinkedIn also, like I'm doing AI and machine learning, and yeah, like I got one scholarship from the Udacity and Amazon Web Service, okay. So on that, I got one scholarship, so I was selected on the 500 people of the world. So I'm doing one Android on a deep learning course. I have already completed the basic like the supervised unsupervised learning course. No one used them. Nah, bro. CNC plus I like, okay. So let's have this talk to Omar. Okay, bro. C and C plus plus are the best program. Like the Python, right? The Python itself is based on the C and C plus plus, bro. And bro, like the bunch of these hardware things, right? So like the kernel system, all those things that really talk with the hardware, and like the big traffic, like the firmware, like where you have so much tasks, and the latency is so much minute that the each second can have a so much thing, right? So on that part also C and C++ is being used, and the game engine, okay. So the gaming part, so the engine itself, like the Unity is the best on the C++. So on that there it is used. And bro, the main thing is if you want to do data structure and algorithm and the competitive programming, I'm talking about related to jobs. No, overall, my bad. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, like my bad also, but yeah, like on this job level, yeah, on this job level, we don't get like a direct high hiring for the C and the C plus plus. That's the valid. But if you, yeah, on the game, so on the game development, right? So if you know like C plus plus, you might be valuable to there. But besides that, uh yeah, like there are like some ways to get into the corporate or this job role from the C and C plus plus, but I also need to research and find of need to work on this. So yeah, stay safe, take care, and see you tomorrow, guys.